So replacing the box, you've got your box that we shipped. You're going to replace the clip up in the circle through the bottom and seat that on that housing, the sensor. You should have it mounted similar to what we have it mounted. Then you're going to tighten up those screws, the 2 screws in the bottom. Make sure those are good and tight when you finish. We don't want to have any kind of slippage on that. Now you've got that tightened, and you're going to replace the board. Just make sure that board, there's a cutout that allows for that the wiring to be slid through. Let's make sure it's not pinched in any way. Okay, now you're going to screw down the board. Okay, once you get that tightened down, you're going to install your batteries. I've got 2 up and 2 down, positive and negative. Just look at the diagram on the battery casing. And now you're going to plug in your sensor. And look at the front of the board. Let me flip that board to show them. One of the, if you can see this, on the bottom it says sensor, and one says battery. Of course, the 3-prong is for your 3-wire sensor. Okay, and now you're going to plug in your battery. And when you plug in your battery, you're going to watch the screen. You should get a power light within a few seconds. Okay, then you should see the cell link come on. Okay, it's looking for the network by the blinks. Alright, it's found a network, it's blinking fast. Once it updates, it will go dormant until the next timing that it's set to update, which is every 24 hours until requested. And now it's asleep, which means the portal should be updated now. Make sure when you finish this, you put the phone back inside, because you're going to want to make sure those batteries stay seated. They do, the heat and cold makes it expand and pops those batteries out sometimes, so just make sure you get that placed back in there. And this particular, the way it faces is your Numerex, the wording should always be in line with your antenna, meaning it's straight up. And just make sure you get those all good and screwed completely down, making sure that there's no moisture that could get in between that casing.